Good morning class. Again, welcome in my YouTube class. Now student, today again we will discuss about chapter 5 lines and angles. Today we will discuss about adjacent angle. Okay. Before adjacent angle we starting, we will discuss some key point for describing an adjacent angle. There are three basic points for representing or defining any adjacent angle. First, suppose A, B and O. AOB is the angle. AOB is a angle. O is the common point for OA and OB. Suppose one ray is again a line या फिर arms C. OC is the other arms. So we can say adjacent angle. For representing the adjacent angle, there is just some 3 points. First, it have a common vertex. Just see in the figure. OA, OB and OC. These are the straight line या फिर we can say these are the arms of the angles. Okay. And O is the common vertex. Every arms or every sides or every lines are joined from point O. So the corner point of this angle is known as the vertex. Okay, vertex means where two or more than two lines are joining at a single point. That point is known as the vertex, or that point is known as the corner point of that angle. Okay, it have a common vertex. Second, it have a common arms OA and OB. In these are OC is the common. Okay, we can say OC is the common angle because this OC, this one, suppose this one is angle 1 and this one is angle 2. Right, so we can say AOC is angle first. Okay, AOC is the angle first. Angle AOC is angle first, and BOC is angle second. In these angles, OC is the common arms. Okay, you can also write COA or COB. I am already okay. You know, first one angle O is the first angle, so you can represent either AOC or COA. Both are the same. In the second, you can write COB or BOC. It is the second angle. So third point is non-common arms are either side of a common arms. This one is the non-common side arms. It is the either side. It may be the either left side or right side of the common arm. Okay. So these are the key points for representing the adjacent angle. In the simple example, we can say, suppose I am standing here. Anyone is standing my right side and anyone is the left side. So these people, they are standing beside me, either left or right, they are the adjacent of me. मेरे लेफ्ट में कौन खड़ा है, मेरे राइट में कौन खड़ा है, जो मेरे लेफ्ट से मुझसे सटा हुआ, जस्ट बिसाइड टू मी. इफ़ एनी वन स्टैंडिंग बिसाइड मी, जस्ट मेरे बगल में जो होगा वो मेरा एडजेसेंट कहलाएगा. सो एंगल 2 का एडजेसेंट एंगल 1 है. यहाँ एंगल 2 एंड एंगल 1, they are the adjacent angle. It means angle 2 is beside angle 1 or angle 1 is beside of angle 2. So we can say they are the adjacent angle. Okay. Now the second, let us see with the help of the second figure. We can explain with the help of the second figure. Suppose every line is joining from the O. O is the vertex, and in this AOD, in this angle AOD, O is the common arms. If suppose we take COE, then OD is the common arm. Okay, we can say adjacent angle of 1, which angle is beside 1? Angle 2. The adjacent angle of 1 is angle 2 or adjacent angle. Suppose which angle is beside angle 2? Who is which one? एंगल 3 के बगल में एंगल 2 हो गया, ठीक है। अब देखते 2 का एडिशन एंगल क्या है। देखते 2 का एडिशन एंगल 2 के लेफ्ट में और राइट में एक एंगल 3 दिया और एक एंगल 1 दिया है, तो 2 का एडिशन एंगल 1 भी हो सकता है और 2 का एडिशन एंगल 3 भी हो सकता है। सो वी कैन से द एडिशन एंगल ऑफ 2 इज 1 और एडिशन एंगल ऑफ 2 इज 3। ओके, विच एंगल इज जस्ट नियर बाय द, या फिर विच एंगल इज जस्ट अटैच विथ दिस एंगल। Angle 1 is attached with this angle and angle 3 is attached with this angle. So these angles are the adjacent angle. Okay. Now the next point is the linear pair. Next point is the linear pair. Okay. Next one is the linear pair. We can say, suppose for example, AB is the straight line. O is the any point on AB. Suppose a ray is C on AB. We can say linear pair. Suppose this angle is 1 and this angle is 2. Okay. The linear pair, the sum of two adjacent angle, the sum of two adjacent angle is 180 degree. Then we can say they are a linear pair. Okay. So then if angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180 degree. Okay, if the sum of two angles, this angle, it is the straight line. AB is straight line. We know the straight line always make 180 degree. Okay, the all angles will be on this line. When we add, then the sum of all these angles will be 180 degree. But in the linear pair, we always consider at a two angle whose sum is a 180 degree. So we can say angle 1 is the, in this figure, angle 1 is the linear pair of angle 1 is angle 2 or angle 2 is 1. Suppose the angle 1 is in this figure, if 30 degree is here, then what will be the second angle to form a linear pair? Then second angle, for finding the second angle, we always subtract 180 minus 30, we will get 150. It means that angle will be 150. Now the sum of these angle is 180 degree. So if two angle is here and their sum is 180 degree, then we can say they are the linear pair and it will be formed on a straight line. Linear pair के लिए straight line का होना compulsory है. Okay. Now the next is the vertical opposite angle. What is the vertical opposite angle? Okay. Next point is the vertically opposite angle. Okay. Suppose if AB is a straight line and CD is another straight line. If two straight line cross each other at a single point O, if two straight line cross each other at a single point O and this intersecting point, this point is known as the intersecting point. Okay, alright. If two straight line they are crossed to each other at a point and this point is known as the intersecting point, then their vertical opposite angles are equal. It means the angle 1 equal to the angle 2, just सामने का, that angle will be equal to the in front angle. Okay, angle 1 is equal to the angle 2. We can also write vertical opposite angle in short form VOA. VOA means vertical opposite angle. Then angle 3 will be equal to the angle 4. Angle 3 will equal to the angle 4 due to the vertical opposite angle. It's okay. When two straight line cross to each other at a single point, that point is known as the intersecting point, and the opposite angles will be also equal due to the vertical opposite. That angle is known as the vertical opposite angle. Just agar that angle, if this angle is 30, then it will be also 30. If angle 3 is a 150, then in front of the angle 3, angle 4 is also 150. So this angle is known as the vertical opposite angle. Now let us start exercise 5.1. The first question of exercise 5.1 is find the complement angle. We have already discussed what is the complement angle. If the sum of two angles is 90 degree, then we can say it will be the complement angle. Okay. If first angle is a 20 degree, then what is the complement angle? Then complement angle B. For finding the second angle, we always subtract from 90 to that angle. It will be 70 degree. Okay. So the complement angle of 20 degree is 70 degree, or the complement of 70 degree is 20 degree. If any angle is given, if question say find its complement angle, we always subtract that angle from 90 degree, then we can find its complement angle. Okay. The remaining question of second and third you will try it. Second question is the find the supplement angle. Same question, supplement angle. Okay. We know what is the supplementary angle or what is the supplement angle. If the sum of two angle is 180 degree, if first angle is given, suppose 105, A, O and B, first angle is 105. Question says what is the supplement angle? Simple, we know the sum of any two angle is 180 degree, then these angle are supplement angle. Okay, then supplement angle will be supplement angle B. If one angle is given, for finding the second angle, we should subtract from 180 to the given angle. ठीक है. 10 में से 5 हो गया, 7 एंड 1 में से 1 जाएगा 0. इट मीन्स second supplement angle of 185 will be 75. It means when we add 105 to 75, we will get 180, or we can say 105 is the supplement of 75 or 75 is the supplement of 105. Okay, it was the question number second. Question number third is say identify which of the following pair angles are complementary angle, which one is the supplementary angle. So we know same कि if the sum of two angle is 180 degree, then it will be the supplementary angle. If the sum of two angle is 90 degree, then it will be the complementary angle. Okay, let us start. First question is first part of third question. Question third. First angle is given is 65 degree, and second angle is 115 degree. Okay, question say कि this angle represent either complement or supplement. Let us start. We should add 65 plus 115 degree. 550 6718 1. If the sum of two angle is 180 degree, it means that angle will be supplementary angle. Supplementary angle कहलाएगा. Okay, if the sum of angle is अगर 90 degree, then we can say it will be the complementary angle. Okay, sixth part of the same question. Sixth part is given. The sixth part 80 and 10 degree. Okay, sixth part is given 80 and 10 degree. Same, first we should add 80 plus 10 is 90 degree. It means if the sum of two angle is 90 degree, then it is known as the complementary angle. Okay, if the sum of two angle is 180, sum of two angle is 90, then this angle will be the complementary angle. Okay, all right, remaining question you will try. Next question 4, find the angle which is equal to its complement. In this question say angles and its complement both are the same, then what will be the angle? We should find it. Okay, let us see. Question number 4 is here. Let the angle be x, and question say the angle and its complement angle are same, then its complement angle be also x. If angle is x, then its complement angle is also x. The sum of x plus x, the sum of two angle is 90 degree. Okay, it is the definition of the complement angle. If the sum of two angle is 90 degree, then these angle are the complement angle. Okay, both are the same variable, so x and x is 2x is equal to 180 degree. Then the value of x is 180 upon 2, that one is the 90 degree. Then the value of sorry, here is the 90. So when we divide by 90, we get 45. Okay, it means so that angle is known as the complementary angle. It means 45 is the angle which complement angle is again itself 45. Okay, question 5 you will try it. Question say कि what will the supplement angle, that will be equal to itself. So same process, you will let the angle be x and its supplement angle will be also x, then the sum of x plus x is equal to 180 for the supplementary. Here is the complementary. ठीक है, सप्लीमेंट्री बोलेगा सेम x plus x is equal to 180, 2x is equal to 180, then x when we divide you will get 90 degree. It means 90 is the angle which are the supplement to itself. Okay, the remaining question you will try it. So that's all for today. Now we will try to solve the next question in our next video. Thank you and have a nice day everyone.